Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API method deprecated error in Metabase. This error usually happens when Metabase is using outdated Slack API methods or when the required Slack permissions and scopes are not properly updated. First, open the Slack app configuration, go to api.slack.com and select the app that Metabase is using for Slack integration. Then click on OAuth and Permissions. Here, make sure your app has the correct and updated bot token scopes. Scroll down to bot token scopes and add the essential scopes for sending messages, reading public channels, and joining channels automatically if needed. These scopes ensure Metabase can communicate properly with Slack using the latest permission system. After updating the scopes, scroll up and click on Reinstall to Workspace, then click Allow. This step is important because Slack does not apply new permissions until the app is reinstalled. Reinstalling will also generate a fresh bot token that starts with xoxb. Make sure you update your Metabase configuration with this new token. Next, update the Metabase Slack integration settings and replace any old or cached token with the new one. Then test your Slack action again from Metabase. In many cases, this error happens because Metabase is calling outdated Slack API methods or using an old token. If the issue continues, double-check that Metabase is using supported Slack API endpoints and that all required scopes are properly added and applied. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack API method deprecated error in Metabase by updating OAuth scopes, reinstalling the Slack app, generating a fresh token, and ensuring Metabase uses the latest API configuration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.